a channel that's ours.
Wow, you're starting it without me.
Yeah, sorry.
And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place.
I was
Happy
excited.
Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Even though some of you probably don't celebrate Thanksgiving since it's an American holiday.
To be honest, we're not really celebrating it today either. I mean, we
Yeah.
kind of are.
You
We're
have a
making
gobble
food.
gobble shirt
I'm
on.
wearing a gobble gobble shirt, but I just love to wear festive sweaters.
Oh, do you want to show them our 3D ultrasound too?
So we went to get a 3D ultrasound. I'm sorry we didn't take you guys with us. We thought you might be getting sick of all the ultrasound videos. These are the pictures we got. If you guys don't see a lot of 3D ultrasounds, they might look crazy to you. He kept covering his face. So this is his arm right here. He's like doing that. And then this is his little nose, and these are his big lips.
Okay,
He's got the biggest lips.
We have no idea where those came from. Because, like, I don't have big lips. Come here.
Your lips are decent size, but they're not as big as this boy's
Those
lips.
are big, juicy lips.
And then here's another picture that we got. Again, you can see the nose right there. There's his big juicy lips. And then this is like his hand right up here. And this is his foot actually right here. But we're really excited that we got those pictures because I feel like we haven't, like the 3D ultrasounds didn't really work out so well in the past.
Today we're setting up our Christmas decor, like our Christmas tree. We did some more Christmas shopping, got some new decor the other day.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make Thanksgiving dinner. I'm gonna attempt my first pumpkin pie. Oh, that's scary. You wanna tell them what happened last night?
Oh my gosh. So we've been watching a lot of the Great British Baking Show, but sometimes we get these ideas in our head that we're like better than we actually are. And so we thought that we could make a cake like the Great British Baking Show.
I Pinterested easiest like from scratch cakes, and I found a vanilla custard cake and turned out awful. Didn't work. It gave us a
terrible.
stomach ache too. This morning we woke up and we did not feel good.
So now, following on that, we're making this pumpkin pie from scratch.
So this is just gonna be an interesting day.
It
but
will
you know
be.
what? That's the fun of it all.
So, as you can see, clearly we're not going out for Thanksgiving.
Yep.
We are in COVID season, so it's just kind of not very safe, so we thought we would just spend it with ourselves anyway. Also, Thanksgiving's kind of a stupid holiday, so we're like, whatever. We're just gonna make some turkey. Here is the beautiful turkey that I'll be making today. From scratch. I'm really excited for it. No, clearly we don't really care.
I am almost 32 weeks on Saturday. It's Thursday right now, so we are getting big, big, big. I can barely get out of bed, so here's your little bump update. Are you ready to get started on our pumpkin
I'm ready to
poodle?
get started. Let's go.
We got a lot to do. We gotta get on it.
We gotta get on it.
Let's go.
Why do we make today so busy? We're doing a lot.
Yeah.
Sorry if this is a long video.
It's gonna be a long video. Stick around. Buckle up.
We'll
Go
tell you
get some
something
snacks.
really juicy at the end, so
Okay.
stick around through it. I don't know what it is yet, but I'll figure it out.
All right. It's not very like orange.
I don't know, babe.
Okay, I feel like that's too much.
Yeah, just leave it like that. That looks fine.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh dear.
jeez. This is gonna be another disaster.
I have a really bad gut feeling that we've poured it too high. These
Followed
were
the recipe to a T, so I don't know what we could have done wrong. at this
Babe,
point.
we can't even make brownies from a box. How many times have we messed up? Like, it's so bad.
Pumpkin pie? Dean, you want your pumpkin pie? You want your pumpkin pie?
Yeah, Deanie! Yeah! Oh my goodness! That's your favorite toy! And now I'm gonna have fluff all over the house for the next 2 days.
Dahlia loves the pumpkin pie. The pie is almost done cooking. It doesn't look right. It's like white in the middle. Why is it white in the middle? That's not right. I don't know what I did wrong. So anyway, that's disappointing to say the least, but maybe we'll get the rest of the things right. Maybe we won't. I don't know. But Abbie says she's hungry. It's only 11 a.m. So it's not early to eat Thanksgiving dinner.
Early!
At 11 a.m. Whatever. It doesn't matter that much. Who cares?
I'm pregnant.
You're
I can do what
pregnant.
I want.
We're adults. That's the point of being adults, right?
Yeah, that's like the fun of it.
Anyway, so we're probably gonna get started on Thanksgiving dinner right now. Let's go! Oh, I have a menu on my phone. Well, it's a little inappropriate. Sometimes Abbie likes to say things that are inappropriate. She'll take a word and then replace it with a different word that's not very PG. And so I wrote that down because she was saying it as we were coming up with the plan. I thought it was funny, so I wrote it down on my plan, but I'll switch it to the appropriate version for you guys. Green bean casserole. That's Abbie's specialty. She's good at that one. We're gonna make my beautiful homemade turkey that I went out into the wild and I caught myself. Then we're going to make some cranberry sauce, mashed potatoes, corn on the not cob, and then the pumpkin pie. And that's it. So, you ready to get started?
Yeah, I gotta get my ass off the couch though.
I could just make it all.
No, I don't trust that.
All right.
If you want the key to a good green bean casserole, you gotta soak your Venuses in, I said Venuses, in broth. You're welcome.
All that I do.
Here we got everything ready. I wish we had better.
We have the turkey.
Oh, except for the turkey, right? I wish we had better serving dishes though, because it doesn't look that classy. I would like it to look classy because I'm a classy kind of girl. Speaking of which, time to get the final thing out of the oven: the turkey.
Took a while to make that.
Yeah, I've been thawing this for days, and now finally,
there it is.
Centerpiece.
This is what my plate looks like. Pretty good. I mean, I'm kind of impressed. We did pretty good for never doing this before.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah, it's kind of cute. Little romantic dinner. Even though our table's so small, so we're kind of smushed.
Not even noon yet.
Well, you know what? I'm hungry.
So here.
Was this my table performance?
Yes.
Are you in a food
You get one
coma?
every Thanksgiving. I'll always sing to you, and tonight I'm gonna sing to you a really special song. So get ready for that.
Our homemade turkey was really good, as well as our rail burning fireplace. Are you ready to set up the Christmas tree after this?
Let's do it.
Now that we got full tummies,
Let's do it.
give us a Thanksgiving twerk of the day. I'm thankful for that bootay. Look at that. Oh, yeah.
Dahlia was sitting around crying like she likes to do, and we told her to go get her pumpkin pie, and she runs upstairs, and then she runs back down the stairs with this toy. So I think that she thinks pumpkin pie means toy.
That's pumpkin pie.
Dean, where's your pumpkin pie? Where's your pumpkin pie? See?
That's it.
All right, it's close enough. You got the right idea. You got the right idea. This is her favorite toy nowadays.
We also got the dog's Christmas jammies along with us. Well, we got Dina's sweater. She doesn't
Yeah.
like the footy pajamas, but they're gonna look so cute.
Yeah, are you ready to get everything set up?
Yeah, we gotta get our Christmas jammies on.
Let's
you wanna
go.
put your Christmas jammies on?
Let's go put them on and we'll get it going. Go get it.
Look at all of our jammies. Look at Dean. She looks so
Dean
sad.
doesn't like it. Maybe we'll take her out of it.
Aw, she's so cute.
Frank
though.
likes his. He's got some cactuses, some Christmas, whatever. Pregnant belly girl.
I had to get my Christmas jammies in a large this year.
Yeah.
So that it fits over my top.
Yeah, so it's like a big shirt and stuff, but
I
it
tried
works.
it, but you know,
It works.
it's a little baggy, but
Whatever. Still look cute. Are you coming?
yes.
How do I look?
Your job is to haul up all the Christmas stuff, because that just sounds like a lot of work for me, so. Thanks, baby. Look at that butt. Yeah.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah.
Okay, this looks like a lot of Christmas stuff. I mean, we didn't buy that much new stuff. We bought baby H a little stocking since he didn't have one. We have some like garland and stuff, Christmas tree. I'm gonna put the Christmas tree in here if it fits because the skirt we have is huge. And you know our living room is tiny. Frank's over here looking like a cutie. Dean's over here being scared with her pumpkin pie. Dean, it's just a sweater. It's gonna be okay.
Abby had this DIY idea that I think was really good.
I saw it on
cute is
TikTok.
that? Isn't that cool?
I feel like I didn't do a very good job, but I thought
She
it was cute.
didn't do a very good job with like the hanging of them. We burnt them a little bit when we put them in the oven.
It was really easy. We sliced like 10 oranges and then we put it in the oven for like 4 hours.
Yeah, like really low, like 200 degrees, and we put it in there for like 4 hours. Yeah, I think at the end I turned the temperature up to 250, and that's what ended up making it burn. So that was my bad. And I think they look really cool. Where did you want to put them? I don't even
I
know.
don't know. I haven't thought of it yet because we also have a Christmas garland that like lights up. So
Yeah.
we'll have to find a spot.
Right there, you were saying maybe.
Yeah.
Right?
We got our little fireplace going. It's Christmas tree time, you said?
Yeah.
All right.
Do it.
Let's do it.
Cue the montage.
Woo woo.
Isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this
We got our tree all set up, but the little thing that we were going to put here did not work. We tried really hard to make it work.
the base of the tree is too big.
Maybe we'll try and figure out something, but
Yeah.
we just wrapped a blanket around it for now because the other skirt we have is like a high one that's like, I don't know, wicker or something, and it just is not the vibe. So here's our tree. We bought this candle when we were out shopping. Look at how huge it is. Like, can you hold this so I can show them?
Look at that.
It's probably like, what, 20 pounds?
It says it burns for 76 hours. Yeah, something like that.
Huge. All right, we're gonna light it and then finish our decorating.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready?
We're gonna have a little bit of DIY action here now. So we, at the thrift store that we love, we found these antique store. I get thrift store and antique store mixed up for some reason. They're kind of similar. We found these little vintage, what do you call it? An ornament? Why can't I talk? And we're thinking we're gonna string them on like twine, kind of like Abbie did with the oranges. Another DIY craft for you guys. We're kind of DIYers at this point in our life, so if you guys would like to follow along, go to your antique store, get some antique ornaments, and put them on some twine.
We're trying to figure out how to best do this.
Yeah, like how to space them apart so it looks good.
We're not crafty. Okay, so it's kind of dark because we turned off the lights and everything, but we're gonna give you the full tour, don't look, of our Christmas decor that we put out. Are you ready? 1, 2.
Christmas looks like. So good. Now for the final thing on the agenda.
Trying our pumpkin
pie. It looks different than what I showed you last. So yeah, it looks more like a pumpkin pie now. I don't know, something got a little weird, right? It doesn't look completely normal. What if it just fell right now? I guess the thing that matters the most is how it tastes. So let's taste her.
That's about enough.
At the end of the day, I think it looks pretty decent. I'm pretty happy with us. Yeah, you put way too much. I almost said cottage cheese. What's this called? Please don't put cottage cheese on it.
This is just the right amount.
So you like it? All right. Well, that's all that we need.
It's actually not bad.
All right. So at the end of the day, we figured it out when we win Great British Baking Show.
Well, that was really good. I forgot to show that we hung our little thing up there. Julia said that Christmas time is the time for dangly things. So we have a dangle there and a dangle there. And a dingle boy there. He gets dingleberries a lot. That's why we call him that. He does. Sorry, Frank, I just called you out. I just called you out. He looks pissed. Sorry, Frank.
You ready to close her out?
I think it's time.
Wrap her up.
Today's notification shout out goes to Stella Stanley.
We love you! First, if you would also like a post notification shout out, all you gotta do is turn on your post notifications by clicking the bell icon next to the subscribe button, and then leave a comment letting us know you did it, and you might be in our next video.
You never know. Thanks so much for watching.
Bye guys. Bye guys.